Welcome to Style Skating. Today's video I would call challenging and fun. We're going to do all 6 types of turns with different toe steps. We're going to start with simple 3 turns and toe steps, same direction, forward, outside 3 turn, and continue around same way with toe steps. Second exercise will be forward inside 3 turn, and then your toe steps will be in opposite direction from your turn. Almost like you reach back into the last jump and then you continue moving into that direction. Then we're going to do backward outside 3 turn with hop and grapevine toe steps. And then same with other leg. Push into 3 turn, hop from right to right cross in front, and then grapevine. And then same on the left foot. So 3 turn one way, and then hop other way. Backward inside 3 turn, waltz cross in front, and then backward toe steps. This combination you can easily include in your footwork. Make it part of your step sequence. Now we move into more difficult turns. We start with brackets, forward outside bracket and backward toe step. Make sure you reach with your free leg back, and this good exercise for your flip jump. Forward inside bracket, cross in front, and then toe steps around in opposite direction from your bracket. Bracket to the right, and then toe steps to the left. Bracket to the left, and toe steps to the right. Good exercise for checking your shoulders and hips. And then backward outside bracket. And these toe steps are very tricky. It took us some time to figure out. You're going to do bracket, reach forward with free leg, and then you're going to do 3 toe steps, 1, 2, 3, and then step back inside, cross behind on backward and side edge. Backward and side bracket, and toe steps will be the same way as you go into forward outside counter. So bracket to the right and continue with toe steps to the right. Bracket to the left and continue with toe steps to the left. Another different from regular toe steps and kind of hard to do to start with, but with practice you can do anything. Now we're going to do forward outside rocker and just regular toe steps around. Rocker to the left, toe steps to the right. Rocker to the right and cross in front and toe steps to the left. Changing your directions every time. Now this is inside, forward inside rocker, and then toe step, same direction. So rocker to the left, toe steps to the left. Crossover between rocker to the right and toe steps to the right. Backward outside rocker, and then 2 hops. It's kind of like bunny hop, only on a toe with your leg crossed behind toe, and then other leg with your toe hop. Backward inside rocker, and then another interesting toe step, going to the left, and then same to the left with your toe step, to the right with your rocker, to the right to your toe steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then cross. 4 toe steps. Now forward outside counter, and then toe step with cross rolls between. Turning to the right and same direction with your toe step, cross roll, and then counter to the left, and then 2 steps to the left. Inside counter, one way, and then toe steps other way. Transition with mohawk, and then other leg. Mohawk from backward inside to forward inside. During these exercises, you work on your turns and quick change of rotational direction. And now continue with backward outside counter and then toe hop between. So almost looks like you're going into another counter after, into forward outside counter, but then you hop through it. And then push backward outside and start from other leg. Backward inside counter and same direction, toe steps after rond, kind of like fouetté turn. This looks really cool, and you can bring that free leg around and get in the cross behind before you step into toe steps. Counter, rond, cross behind, and then toe step. Twizzles, one way, and then toe step other way. Cross roll, switch your leg, and same with other leg. You always can add arms, especially on the easy combinations like this one. Now we're going to do forward inside twizzle with stretch. So we're trying to get that body work to get better levels in the step sequence. So when you start your twizzles forward, we'll exit backward into toe steps. And when we start on the backward twizzles, we're going to exit forward. So start backward outside twizzle, and again rond and toe steps. You're not going to see perfection on these videos because I do them as I have lesson and come up with some exercises. So skater doing this first time, and we're going to work more on extension, lifting free leg, working your body, cleaning those turns. But this is just something to practice on. So same as backward and side twizzles. We'll start backward inside and exit forward outside, and then go with your toe steps in opposite direction. So turning one way and then immediately with toe steps other way. Loops, our last turn, forward outside loop and immediately into toe steps. So on this one, it's very important that you exit your loop first and then step into toe steps. Otherwise, your loop not going to count in your step sequence. Forward and side loops now. And opposite direction with your toe step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step into loop right away. So 4 toe steps. It's like beginning of grapevine exercise. And then you turn on your toe at the end, bringing your free leg in front and step into your forward inside loop. Backward outside loop. And then again, toe steps, same way as you would go into lat jump. So good for backward outside edge and twist. You turn in one way on a loop and immediately go other way on your toe steps. There's your rotational directions, 360-degree one way and then other way, which is one of the features for your levels in the step sequence. And now backward and side loops with toe steps right after in opposite direction. I hope you will find some combination which you can work on, depend on your level of skating. Let me know what else you would like to see in my videos. Thank you for watching. Please remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel.